Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta equal to tan 3 theta. So here I am going to take the LHS left hand side. So here writing tan theta tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta. Now going to convert this all into sin and cos. So here we can write tan theta sin theta by cos theta, and tan 60 minus theta we can write sin 60 minus theta divided by cos 60 minus theta. The same sin 60 plus theta divided by cos 60 plus theta. Now we already know the formula sin A minus B into sin A plus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Now next is cos A minus B into cos A plus B equal to square A minus sin square B. So this is the formula we must know. So this formula we can use here. So here first going to write sin theta divided by cos theta, and here sin A square 60 minus sin square theta divided by cos A square 60 minus sin A square theta. After that what we need to do, so here going to put the value on the sin and cos. So here sin theta divided by cos theta. Now sin 60 degree we know that root 3 by 2 sin 60 and sin square 60, that will do the square, so 3 by 4. So here sin square 60, the value is 3 by 4. Here sin square theta. Now cos square cos 60, the value is 1 by 2, and square, the value is 1 by 4. So here 1 by 4 sin square theta. Now after that we need to take the LCM. So here LCM of this for 3 and 4 and 1 LCM, the LCM come 4, and after solving this become 3 minus 4 sin square theta, and here 1 minus 4 sin square theta divided by 4. This 4 that going to cancel, and in turn there is cos theta. Now here after the next is what left, sin theta divided by cos theta into 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by 1 minus 4. So this is going to convert into cos square, so we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now multiply with this all, so here it becomes 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. Now here after just write one more time cos theta into 1 minus 4, and here 4 cos square theta, and just write 2-3 line. So here this is the cos theta. Here we can write 4 cos square theta minus 3. Now cos multiply with all this term, so here 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta divided by 4 cos q theta divided by 3 cos theta. Okay, so 4 cos 4 multiply with minus 3 cos theta. So we already know about the formula sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. So we can write sin 3 theta in place of this, and cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, so here there is so we can write 4 cos q theta. So here in place of this we can write cos 3 theta. Now here after sin by cos we can write tan 3 theta. So we need to get this. Finally I got. Now here we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to tan 3 theta. This proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So here we can get this in tan theta, so need to break, and we must remember the formula sin a minus b into sin a plus b, sin square a minus sin square b, cos a minus b, cos a plus b. We can write cos square a minus sin square b after putting this, and give the value sin theta and sin 60 cos 60, solve, and here you should remember this formula of 3 sin a minus 4 cos qa equal to sin 3a, and 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a cos 3a, and put this. After that you can easily get the output. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.